Hi everyone, what's up? Josh here from Alternative Brewing, and today we're going to be making coffee using Bialetti's 3-cup Kremina. The reliable and well-built Bialetti Kremina is an all-aluminium stovetop espresso maker that also has an integrated whisker built into the lid. And you use this for adding a delicious creamy texture to your espressos with or without milk. Now the Kremina is the ideal coffee brewer to make those short, strong coffees like Macchiatos, piccolos, and espressos. So let's get brewing using the Bialetti Kremina. To begin with, fill your heating vessel with water to just below the pressure valve. This is 210 mils of water, and it's best to use heated water to fill the vessel, as this will speed up the whole brew time. In using the correct amount of coffee, fill your basket to measure out your beans. It's a simple method I use daily, but in weighing your coffee out, the basket holds approximately 20 grams. You want to grind your coffee to a fine grind, as this will make espressos that are rich and full-bodied. And then place the grounds in the basket and gently flatten them down with the back of a spoon. Place the filter basket on top of the water vessel, ensuring that there's no grind sitting around the rim, as we want to make a nice tight seal when we screw the coffee collector to the top of the water vessel. So if you love to drink your coffee with milk, now is the time to pour 45 mils of cold milk into the top of the Kremina. No more than the indentation in the bottom of the top vessel though, and then you can close the lid and place it on the stove on a low to medium heat. Importantly, you don't want your water to boil too fast here. So the aim is to have a heat that lets the pressure slowly rise in the bottom, and then the water will gradually percolate through your bed of coffee. It should take a total of 3 to 4 minutes to finish brewing. And a great feature with the Kremina is you'll know when it's completed brewing, as the handle up top will have now slowly raised up and is bobbing up and down. So turn off your heat, remove the Kremina, and here comes the cool part. By pumping the handle on the Kremina for a few seconds, this is what helps create that deliciously creamy texture and foamy goodness to your coffees, pouring them out into your cups to enjoy. And if you prefer your coffee black, like I do, you can also froth up just the espressos without milk, and it produces a very pleasant texture to the espressos as well. In cleaning the unit, waiting for it to cool down is necessary. Once it is cool, unscrew the top, remove the filter basket, and tap out those grinds. The lid is also important to remove and clean thoroughly to make sure it doesn't turn on you. Then rinse everything underwater. It's fairly important to ensure everything is thoroughly dry before placing it back together. And that's the Bialetti 3-cup Kremina for you. It's a fantastic stovetop coffee maker that will produce 120 mils of strong espresso and add further drink recipes and options to your morning ritual by virtue of that integrated milk frother. It's reliable and really well made. If you have any questions on the Bialetti Kremina, then throw them in the comment section below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen so you stay notified when we bring out videos just like this one every week. If you've enjoyed this video, hit like. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.